Well, today I'm just bored. Today, guys, I'm going to try and fix this headlight. My headlight, it's not that bad, but it's starting to get a little foggy, and it's starting to annoy me. If you can see, let's see on the other side. It's starting to get really bad around this area right here, and this top part right here, so you can see. It's starting to get really bad. So I went on Amazon and got this, and I want to try it. Let's see if it works. Let's get to it. Use painter's tape, cleaning solution, and pad. Alright guys, the prep is done. As you can see, it's a bit hazy. It's supposed to be like that. That's this one side. Here's the other side. Notice it's just a uniform haze throughout the headlights. That's what you want. Alright, let's get ready for the headlight coating. There's a car in there somewhere. I might have gone overboard with prepping the car, but I just don't want to deal with overspray, so that's why it's like that. So let's get this thing coated, painted. I don't know. Let's get to it. Alright guys, done with the first coat. As you can see, this looks like a brand new headlight. This is just the first coat. Look at that. I guess the product does work. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but this is just the first coat. Let's see the other side. Looks pretty legit. Now gotta let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes before you put the second and last coat. So see you in 5 minutes. Alright guys, this is after the second coating is dried. Check it out. Looks pretty legit to me. Looks like a brand new headlight. Not too bad, eh? Now the process doesn't take long. It should take you about 30 to 45 minutes, the whole process, maybe to an hour. Say it's a pretty good product to me. I think I forgot to mention what product it is. It's a Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit. I got this is the moderate one. They have 3 stages or 3 levels. I got the moderate one because my headlight wasn't too bad. So Meguiar's 2-step, pretty good to me. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.